Yesterday, the gold has created a bullish pin bar. We can see that clearly where the price is trying to move down, where the price has gone below 2878.61 and then bounced very close to here, the demand zone at 2857.20, and ended the day as a bullish candle, as a bullish pin bar, where the price could not make a bearish breakout below on the daily time frame, below this confluence of support. Yesterday, inside the premium analysis, I have shared the details with the traders about the bullish breakout on the 1 hour time frame, which was a successful one, which means a profitable breakout was shared with the traders. So if you would like to receive these updates, feel free to check the premium analysis. And also do not remember that there is a giveaway currently where I'm giving 3 trading accounts with my broker. So check the description for more details where you can find what is possible and also what are the steps needed. It is on the 1st March, which means in about 2-3 weeks, the winners will be drawn. So feel free to join. It's free. Now, what we can expect today from here, from the market. Currently, what I can see, the price is forming a bullish breakout. We can see that here on the smaller scale resistance level around 2908.22, and it's trying to move higher. So I also have shared already today with the traders inside the premium analysis. There was a 1 hour breakout, a bullish breakout with the target shared also. So you can also join to receive these updates also with the target. Now, where the price could stop, we can see that there is an open space, but remember that on the 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame, there are small resistance levels that I have marked where the price is heading and also where the price could stop. If the price makes a bullish breakout above that small resistance level, the target will be around 2949.95. We can round this to 2950 as a round number. Now, if the price continues to rise in value, this will be the target, but also if the price returns back below this area, which means first this will be the support level that needs to hold 2897.69 on the lower level. On the lower time frame, this will be a support that needs to hold in order to prevent the price from falling further down. Now we can see yesterday it was a very important support level, so I'm expecting that the price will try to reach higher price levels instead going below this area of support. So for today, I'm looking that the price will try to reach higher price levels, but remember, this week, which is a large one, this week, which is a large one, is showing that there is a fight between the buyers and the sellers around this area. So this could be also a false breakout to the upper side, then returning back down, closing again like this. But also this could be also a bullish momentum that is forcing the price to reach higher price levels. So especially for that, it is very important to see what 4 hour time frame and 1 hour time frame resistance levels, how the price behaves around them, and also when the breakout happens, in which direction the price will go. That's all for today. Remember about the broker giveaway. You can also win the trading account, so feel free to join. Check the description for more details. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.